And this is the AdTam multi-plug USB adapter socket that I picked up. I've got some furniture that went up against the wall, and having multiple sockets sticking out was making the furniture stick out, so I wanted something a little bit more flush. So just a very simple single plug, and the ability to plug in all my other things in there, my timer sockets, my lamp. I've also got enough there for my USBs, for my chargers, and all those different things in there, just conveniently out of the way. It's a really nice solid plastic unit. You've got your 4 USBs and a USB-C there as well, so if you want to maybe charge your watch or something like that in there as well, you can. And you've got 6 UK sockets there, and it's a really nice little unit, and I believe that it's a 4-foot long cable, so you can tuck it away really nicely. It's got some really nice little feet on there as well. Yeah, and I think it's just a really nice solid little unit. It feels really good quality. The cable, which is always a concern, feels really nice. Yeah, I think it's going to be really useful. So yeah, really impressed so far with the quality. I think it's going to be absolutely ace.